happened. I'm finally going camping for the first time in 2025. I'm heading out to Walkers Creek, which is in Litchfield. I've got my drone, packing very light. I haven't got a tent, I've got a mozzie net, very small sleeping bag and a mattress, very, very light. I'm taking a spoon and a lighter. I have to walk in, so I can't take much stuff. I'm looking forward to it. Hopefully I get some good drone shots. Got my GoPro, gonna get some time lapses, got my phone. I think I remember how to get there, but we'll see how we go. I'm not gonna use Google Maps, I'm just gonna see how we go, and hopefully we'll make it there very soon. Let's do this. Turns out I forgot how to get there. So back before they upgraded the highway, this was actually the road you used to get into the back of Litchfield. So you used to have to cross this little one-way bridge here, two-way traffic using a one-way bridge. This is actually the Finnis River, and I'm pretty sure there's probably some lizards in here somewhere. So here's Ned waiting for me. I had to park him here because I wasn't going to risk getting him stuck, because there's some decent holes here. This isn't the way to Walkers Creek, it's just a cool little track I like to go down. Not only did I miss the Litchfield turnoff, I just missed the Walker Creek turnoff. I don't know what is going on. Maybe I have to start using Google Maps again. Okay, got to turn around. All good, we're there. I just got to find a safe spot to turn around. Route. Water crossing. Oh. Solo cameraman. So I made it, number 3. Now I booked number 3 because it was the only one available, the rest were booked out. But I was the only car here when I got here. I haven't seen anybody, so I might have the whole creek to myself. Right, I thought before I unpack and go for a swim, I'd show you what I brought, and any suggestions you think I can make it lighter, I'm open to them. Let's unpack it. drone. Funny thing is, the drone is really small. The controller is actually what makes up most of the size. One more thing. Lighter. Fire starters. Didn't forget them, just forgot to show you. Let's go for a swim. I mean, it doesn't get much simpler than that. Now all I have to do is pull up the mattress. I'll come back to that and get a bit lightheaded. One of my friends has this bag that you fill up and then you push it into an air mattress. I've got to get me one of those. You know what they're called? Comment. I've got to get one because that was not enjoyable at all. Free treasure. Someone's left their goggles and their nets behind. I'll take them back and leave them at the start or something. So I did forget something. My thongs. So I'm wearing my bush shoes. Stylish. You always got to forget something when you go camping. It's just the way it goes. Ah, the camper's clothesline. When all your clothes are wet and you have to walk around naked. Good thing I have the whole place to myself, I think. So, time to make a fire. I don't actually need a fire because I'm going to eat all my food cold. I'm just going to start a fire to keep all the boogeymen away. I hope. Don't need that. Oh, look at that. Free Mozzie coil. Bush treasure. Keep that for later. A bit of kindling. Some tissue. A fire starter, because I can. Simple. The trick to making a good fire is to use fire starters. Let's start with small kindling twigs first and then build it up to big logs like this. I'm not going to use this log, but this is eventually what you want to burn when you're out camping. Check out this stick I found. How straight is that? You shall not pass! Oh, I've missed this. I've missed just being out in the middle of nowhere by myself. Just being rough. Oh. Got a bit emotional then. Good. The good thing about these packets is that they should pretty much just burn all up. So I don't have to take it out. Time for my bath before bed. I'm going to brush my teeth. I'm not using any toothpaste, just a toothbrush.
There's always that one mosquito that gets in your tent. Damn it.
Okay, so it's 8 o'clock, I'm in bed, and I'm bored. So I'm probably going to get dressed, grab the torches, grab my iPhone, and have a look around, see if I can do some night photography, see if I can get any night shots. Maybe some croc spotting, see if I can see any crocs in the water. But yeah, 8 o'clock and I'm bored. Okay, so I've gotten dressed. It's just after 8 p.m. I got bored. So I'm gonna go for a wander. Got my phone, got my tripod, got a couple of torches. Got plenty of red on, because there's plenty of mozzies. It's a bit uncomfortable. Gonna go see if I can do some night photography, maybe some croc spotting. Let's see how we go. Let's go exploring. Can't see where I'm going. Okay, so this is where I've been swimming. Can't see any red eyes. So after going out and trying to get some photos, there's no stars, it was too cloudy. All I could find was a footpath and a toilet to take some night pictures of. I'm sweating again. My legs are sore from the ants. It's hot. My mattress has gone down. I think I'm going to pack up and walk out and give this another go another time and be a bit more better prepared. Bugger. It's been a good trip. But I think it's time to pack up because it's just uncomfortable and it's hot. There's no wind, it's just still. Yeah, let's pack up. You win some, you lose some. Sometimes you just gotta cut your losses and get out. Ah, the things you do. The things you do, like you have to walk back to pick the camera up because you're all alone in the bush. What it's like walking out in the middle of the bush at night. Every time I stop to talk, I swallow a mouthful of bugs. And I can't even see where I'm going now because I'm like mice. It's delicious. I'm glad I'm not vegetarian anymore. Nearly back in the car. Adventures. Wincy, wincy spider climbed up the water spout. Down came the rain and washed poor Wincy out. Oh, I found Ned. There's still no cars anywhere. I'm still the only person here, even though the campsite was booked out. So I made it back to the car. I've now got bugs in the car. Well, that was a bit disappointing. Had a good time though. What went wrong? My mattress went flat. Ants in my sleeping bag. It was hot. Mozzies in the tent. The GoPro that I thought was waterproof wasn't waterproof, and now it's stopped working. The battery's starting to swell, so that's bad. Turns out my shoes had holes in them, so now my socks are wet, my feet are wet. Had a good time though, so now I know what to fix up for next time. Clean my sleeping bag, get a new mattress, get one of those inflatable bags. Okay, now I've got an hour's drive home, it's not too bad. All part of the adventure.